Hi, my name is Jason. I am a project manager at the American's Home Place, working out of the Gainesville office. Behind me you'll see this is our Ashley A home plan, about 1,525 square feet. It is a 3-bedroom home with 2 bathrooms. Currently this home is almost done with the framing stage. At this point what we're going to be doing is adding house wrap to the exterior of the home, and also we're going to start working on the exterior deck and front porch. We have temporary bracing right now to hold up that front porch, but pretty soon we're going to start on that. At the interior, we're just finishing up on the framing, so there's nothing inside the home currently. But at this stage, what we'll do is we'll meet with the homeowner, walk the property a little bit, show them the interior, and then we'll start on our mechanicals, which will include our plumbing, our HVAC, and our electrical work. If you want to find out a little bit more about our Ashley A home plan, as well as any information on all the other plans that we offer, please visit americashomeplace.com. Thank you.